Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on PC and laptop. So today I'll be showing you two different ways of how you can go and download and install Roblox on your computer and laptop. So the first thing you will need to do is go and open up your web browser and just go to roblox.com. And here we are. And you will need to go and sign into your account. Then to go and download it, all you need to do is go and open up a game you would like to play. For example, in this case, I may want to go and play this one. So go and open it up, and then all you need to do is go and press on the play button just like so, and it's going to just go and say Roblox is now loading, and it's going to say you will need a new app to open this Roblox player link. All you need to do is wait, and then it's going to go and say you're moments away from getting into the experience. Download and install Roblox, so click here just like so, and then the Roblox installer is going to go and download. It's important to note that every browser is slightly different, and so your downloads may not appear where mine have in the bottom left my browser. So what you need to do is go and open your file explorer, and in your file explorer you go to downloads folder, and then you'll go and find the Roblox player launcher installer file. Then go and tap on that or double tap on it, and then it will go into configuring Roblox, and once it's finished it will say Roblox is successfully installed, and you can tap OK. And then all you can do is go and hit join here, or you can just go and tap on play on any Roblox game, and it's going to go and say Roblox is now loading, and then it's going to go and say starting Roblox, and then Roblox is going to load. Just give it a moment, and then here we are. The Roblox game is now loading, and I can go and play Roblox now. So let's go and get into the other method. So the second way you can download and install Roblox on your laptop or computer is by using the Microsoft Store. So go and tap on search, and you can go and search Microsoft Store, or just go and launch it from here. In this case, as you can see, it's now loading, and here we are. It's now loaded, so come to the top of the Microsoft Store and go and tap on search apps, games, movies, and more. And all you need to do is type in Roblox just like so, and hit search and wait for it to load. And here it is. We have now got Roblox, so go and tap on it, and then all you need to do is go and tap install, and then it's going to go and download and install. And then once it's finished, the install button is going to turn to play, and then we can go and press play, and Roblox will load. And then all you need to do is press login and go and sign in with your Roblox account, and there it is. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.